The inserts on this one, the no-name brand, it's kind of questionable. I have seen some people on some videos that they have replaced it and they swore that it made some changes. And since I have the 75A, I'm hoping that the material that they use are different. The plan is work on this one, then next is the transmission, and then start it up, see if it makes any difference at all. Then if I didn't feel anything, I'm gonna stop right there. Then I'm gonna order the 62A. The reason why I'm changing this one, it's because of, remember, I'm fixing two things on this one, which is the drone attack and the vibration on the motor. And hopefully it should chime in together. I have did something on the my exhaust piping. I put a J pipe on it. I know I felt that I reduced the drone a little bit, but it's just the vibration from the motor. It contributes to the drone or something. But we'll see. I'm not sure if when the bracket touches the rubber, if it adds up some vibration. I know the OE, it only touches the metal, the one in the center. It never touches the rubber. So I was wondering maybe I can trim this off or something. But we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna pop this, and I have a replacement for this. Yeah, I'm not really sure how good this poly is. I have watched some people on YouTube that when they replace it, they swore that they said that it made some changes. So now I just need to pop that thing. Alright, let's go. Coming up slowly. Maybe I should spray some WD-40 on it or something. Right. Okay. Now when I got this, they didn't specify the durometer of this one, and this is the 1320 75A inserts. Is it the same? Yeah. The only difference is it doesn't have all these gills. This one is smooth. But I think it would not make any difference. 1320 is saying that you could use their product to replace Hasport. If they can claim that it's interchangeable with the Hasport, so it must be really good. Why I didn't order a 65, I have no idea. Okay, yeah, it's a little bit bigger than this one. It's about make that 25, 30,000. Yeah. $30,000 is not much. Two and a quarter. Two and a quarter. Yeah, same thing. Same size and everything. Oh, that's the old one. Can I really tell by just squeezing it? Nah. Check this out. Right after I squish it using the vise, it keeps coming off. It's not a good idea to use any lube. It's better to put it on there dry. Yeah, it just kept coming off. It's pulling the pin out. Look at that. See? I'm gonna clean it off and I'm gonna try it differently without the lube. Yeah, it seems to stay together without the pin on there. So what I'm gonna do now, I put some lube on this and I'll put this on. But I'm gonna use the vise, that way I'm not knocking out this side. I think it's not gonna push itself out like earlier. So the trick to it is put these two inserts together first. If you ever gonna do this, if you want to replace the one that the no-name brand with a good known inserts, put them all together first, then put some lube on the pin and insert it. Then the transmission will be next. Yeah. Yeah, no gap. No gap whatsoever. I noticed the difference between the no-name brand and like 1320. It's the hole, and also the good known brand. This one is a little bit bigger. It's just too big. I think that's the only way they could sell this, if they make this one a little bit bigger. Otherwise, they are copying it. So now the mount is a little bit, the bushing is a little bit thicker this time. Let me spray some lube on this. Okay. Move this up. And I'll be hoping for the best. Next one is the transmission.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found. But you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing
Alright, lesson learned from the first one. No lube. I'm gonna try to put it on by hand. Oh, look at that. The driver's side is a little bit smaller. I got the inserts all put together. This turned out to be not as bad as the driver's side. But before I do that, this thread is all messed up. I have to repair this one first. And this is what I'm gonna use to repair it. That should do it. Now the tap. I will just use the extension right there. No more. Okay. Now let's give it a try. Okay. All right, I'm good. I just need to knock out that little piece in there, and I'll be good. Okay. All right, only thing left is give it a start and see if I made any difference. Yeah, I think it made a difference. Maybe I do need to replace that one in the rear. That's coming up next, but it looks like it does make the difference. Okay, that's good. I need a stiffer mount. I need something like 75A on that side on the rear. It's because I'm not using this, and that's enough to hold it so it will not flex as much. Got the rear all buttoned up. Man, that proved to be a challenge. Yeah, after I put on the passenger and the driver's side, I started up and I felt a difference. So I said, yeah, the 1320 mounts, it proved to have a difference at all. I mean, compared to the no-name brand. But we'll see how it goes once I get everything all cleaned up and lower it down, and I'm gonna give it a start and see how it goes. Idling right now at normal operating temperatures. And here is the glass of water. So it looks like that the inserts, the 1320 performance inserts, tamed it down a little bit. And I was driving it around and yeah, I felt the difference. Comparison to what I had before. here. Yeah, that's a good mount. Good inserts from 1320. Rest assured that you can get a good results on your engine mounts. Temperature's getting colder a bit, and I will use that as an advantage for me to at least give myself a break, focus on some little things. You know how it is in life. This is not my normal gig, so I do have other things that I do other than this one. So yeah, I'll take a break for a while. I'm not totally quitting or not uploading any videos or anything like that. I'll still be around. I just need a little break, that's all. If you have any other questions as far as building a G23, yeah, feel free to leave a message and I will try to answer it as much as I can to the best of my knowledge. If I don't know the answer, I will try to help you guys out as much as I can. And also, and I would like to add up, I'm trying to fix two things on this one. Now that I have did something on the motor mounts, I'm using a 1320 75A inserts, and it I will put some more mileage on this and I'll come back and give you guys an update on this. But so far it's good. I like it. It's much better than what I have before. Yeah, totally, it's night and day. I would like to thank everyone for spending your time watching my videos and everything, and I learned a lot, and I did improve a lot as far as making videos and everything, editing. Yeah, I truly owe it to you guys, you know, for leaving comments and all that. And yeah, I just need a little break for now, and I will see you guys soon, hopefully. And thank you all for watching. Bye everyone. Another 50 Shades of Green G23 BK.